Hey guys! Are you going back to school soon? Do you need backpack necessities like oil blotting wipes, dry shampoo, mini deodorant, feminine products? Well, guess what? 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 I mean, what? We're giving away all that and more. Heck yeah! So don't be the girl sitting next to you in class that smells really bad and has awful pit stains. We got you covered with some mini deodorants, and you don't want to be that person that's breath makes people throw up either. So we got you covered for all this. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video for all the details. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Amanda, and today I'm coming at you with my back to school makeup look. This look is super easy, and as you'll see, it goes by so fast. If I wasn't talking, I probably could have got it done in like a minute or less. So this is perfect if you have an 8 a.m., you're running out the door, you wake up super late. I got you, girl. I am also doing a giveaway in this video, and I am doing a giveaway every single day on my channel here and on my Instagram, so be sure to stick around until the end of this video to learn all about this giveaway. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into the look. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We are going to start by just moisturizing your skin. I feel like during the school year, everyone's stressed. You're like outside in different weather. I don't know. And it's not good. So we're going to moisturize, keep the skin looking fresh and clean. I like this one too because it also battles against acne. And stress comes with acne. And school is stress, okay? So, love this clean and clear, love this clean and clear, love this clean and clear, love this clean and, love this clean and clear dual action moisturizer. It has salicylic acid. Get rid of all that acne. We hate her, okay? So, next, I'm going to go ahead and just prime my face. This is a Wet n Wild Coconut Photo Focus primer. It's a primer, water, prep, sets, and refreshes all in one. The next step is obviously optional, but if you guys want to wear some foundation, BB cream, or anything, you can go in with that. I'm just going in with this Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I like foundations that claim to last a lot longer than other ones because when you're at school, you like sit with your hand on your face all day, you're eating in the library, sweating, walking from class to class, you know, nothing fun about that. So we are just going in with some foundation, mostly just because half the time my face doesn't match my neck because I fake tan. A lot of the time, the first few days of my tan will stay and I don't necessarily have to wear foundation, but if you're feeling like you want to, go ahead and put a little bit on. You also don't have to get a foundation that's like super full coverage. I know that's not for everyone, especially when you're going to school. I'm just going to throw this one on. This is also optional, but if you want to go in with some Instant Age Rewind or any concealer, this just hides the under eye bags that you have because school's tiring and there's no time for sleep. I always go in and set my face with powder just because it keeps me from feeling really oily during the day. So I'm just going in with my Airspun Loose Setting Powder. And I am going to just cover my face with this. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my Too Faced bronzer. And I'm just going to warm up my cheeks again. You could also just like go in with some bronzer or some blush if you want instead of a foundation, just to add a little bit of color into your face. Just makes you look a little bit more awake. Like I said, with blush, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of blush to give me a little bit of color, look like I'm not so dead. Next, I'm going to go ahead in with my brows. If you're running to an 8 a.m. or like waking up really late for class, you don't have time to do your brows, and you don't even need to do your brows when you're going to school. So I'm just going to go in with my Benefit brow gel just to brush my brows out and make them stay in place all day. So I have my lashes lifted right now, so I'm not going to be curling them, but you could go in and curl your lashes now if you would like to. But I'm just going to go ahead in with this Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara by... Is this by L'Oreal? L'Oreal. I didn't see it on the package. Just to give your lashes a little bit of color. I feel like it opens up your eyes and makes you look more awake than you are. We're all about looking awake when we're actually dead inside. And then the final step for me, obviously this is optional again, but I'm going to go in with my NYX. This is Everything Lip Oil. It's not a gloss and it's not like a lipstick. It's just lip oil. So it kind of finishes off your look, makes your lips feel not so chapped, or you could just use a chapstick, something like that, you know? And this is the final look for running off to class in a hurry. Literally, if I wasn't talking, it would have taken 2 seconds to get all of this done and ready for school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. There are so many more back to school videos to come, and I'm also doing a giveaway in this video, so I'm going to talk about that in just 1 second. But if you guys want to stick around for the rest of my back to school series, I'm doing a giveaway with every video, so be sure to subscribe and stick around for that. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss them. Now let's just get into the giveaway details. So for this giveaway, I am giving away a bunch of stuff to keep in your backpack, kind of like your backpack makeup bag, but not necessarily makeup stuff, because I know everyone has their favorite products and stuff like that. But I'm going to be giving you guys every other essential thing that you need to have in your backpack in your just-in-case kind of moments. So what comes in this giveaway is this pouch to keep everything in your backpack. It's like the perfect size where it fits absolutely everything you could ever need, but it doesn't take up your entire backpack as well. You could even like put it on top of your books in your backpack to that like little spot that pops up that nothing goes in, you know. So inside this, actually I have 2 things outside of the pouch, but you could take them out and fit them in here. Some little tissues, because you never know when it's gonna be freezing in class, your nose is gonna be running, allergies hit you. I don't know. You never know when you're gonna need tissues. They have little inspirational quotes on them. Find your fearless, believe in yourself, summon your strength. Like, how cute are those? I also have this lint roller, because the worst thing ever is when you get to school, you're wearing black leggings, and then all of a sudden you look down and realize you're wearing lint, dog hair, cat hair, some type of guinea pig hair. I don't know. You know, it's the worst. So you don't want that to happen. So I got you covered. Inside I also have some oil absorbing wipes. We hate an oily face feeling during the day. We also have my favorite dry shampoo, a little mini one to keep your hair from feeling oily, greasy, all of that disgusting stuff during the day. We also have a deodorant to keep you feeling fresh throughout the day. If it's a long, hot summer day, we hate sweating. Also threw in some makeup wipes, because if you're running to the gym after class, or even if you just feel disgusting while you're sitting in class, you have these. You can wipe your face and you'll feel a lot fresher. Also have some gum to keep your breath nice and fresh. Also, mint is supposed to be really good for helping you remember things. So if you're studying in the library, chew this and then chew it again while you're taking your exam. It's supposed to help. Oh no, I'm not claiming anything. I'm just saying what I've heard. Also have some lotion, because another one of the worst things in the world is getting to school and realizing that your knees are really ashy and just gross and you're wearing shorts. So, got you covered, girl. I also threw in a Tide to Go stick, because nothing is worse than getting food, makeup, or something on your clothes and you just started your day. You don't feel good going through the rest of the day with the dirty clothing, so Tide to Go to the rescue. It's my favorite. I can't live without it. Also threw in some just-in-case lady products, but we figured you didn't need an explanation for that. And then the final thing I have in the bag are just some hair ties, because nothing is worse than just feeling disgusting and wanting to put your hair up and not having a hair tie. So, again, got all of it covered. Okay, so the rules to enter this giveaway, and they're going to be the same rules to follow all giveaways. So if you guys want to be entered to literally win all of them, you'll only have to do a few things differently for each giveaway, which saves you so much time if you just want to enter all of them. So the rules to enter, please make sure you follow all of them, because I'll be checking, and the worst thing ever would be that you win and then I check and you didn't follow one of the rules. It would just break my heart. So first step, subscribe to me here on YouTube. and be sure to click that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment on this video giveaway and your Instagram name, and let me know you subscribed and turn on the notification bell there. Then go ahead over onto Instagram, and I'm going to have a post for this giveaway as well. So be sure to follow me on Instagram at AmandaLouiseYT. Be sure to turn on my post notifications on Instagram as well. Find the picture for this giveaway. I will clip it in here so you guys can see what it looks like. Like that picture. Tag 3 of your friends in the comments on that picture. The more tags you put, the more entries it is. And if you want to post a picture of it on your Instagram story and tag me in it as well, that is another extra entry. So I wish you guys all good luck on that. I'm going to put the date that this giveaway is ending on the screen here, so you guys have about 2 weeks to enter that, and then I will be announcing the winner soon after, and I will have it shipped out to you guys ASAP. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below some other video suggestions you have for me. And I love you guys endlessly. Until the next video, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye!